Welcome back to Weiniger Racing. Today I will be getting started on our new project. This 1968 Volkswagen Beetle. Earlier in the week we got it running, but we discovered that the carburetor leaks from the accelerator pump right back here. So I ordered a new carburetor and I'm about to install that. Also today, I'm going to be cleaning up the interior. Interior is surprisingly all there for the most part, besides carpet and a few other things, but I'm going to be removing the seats and deep cleaning this. So for now, I'm going to be putting the carburetor on so we can hear this thing run. And hopefully there's no more leaks. And yeah, let's get started. Now, as far as carburetors go, this is pretty simple. A couple nuts on the bottom here, one back there. Disconnect some wires, fuel line, and it should come right off. This thing, I found out it has an electric fuel pump installed. So the mechanical pump is no longer in the system. The previous owner just looped this line around. I'll end up ordering a block off plate for that. But yeah, let's get this carburetor removed and put the new one back on. Simple as that. Now the carburetor's off and I can put the new one on. Right here it looks like it's been capped off. I'm going to see if I have a vacuum cap to better block this off instead of a old spark plug and a hose. Alright, I got a cap for this, so I can get rid of this nonsense. Now we can put on the carburetor. Alright guys, the battery died on the GoPro, so I kept on working. Got the new carburetor on. At first, it didn't want to run, so I adjusted the bypass screw and I don't remember what this one's called, but I adjusted those and now she runs. I'm going to put you on the tripod so I can show you. But now that this part of the project is done, I'm going to tackle the interior, get that all cleaned up, and yeah, and call it a day. Well, as you can tell, she starts up and runs just fine. Now we can get started on this interior. I'm going to remove both these seats and then we can start vacuuming and cleaning all of this. Alright, as far as the seats go, all you do is flip this up and then pull forward. We'll see how easy these actually want to come out right now. So let's pull these seats out. Same deal on this side. Alright, now without the seats in, we can really tell how filthy this interior is. Some old 50 weight motor oil. Bunch of random nonsense in here. Fuel door for Volkswagen. All this is from the passenger seat. We vacuum all that out. Just random nonsense all over the place. Alright, now that I got this mostly vacuumed up, time to get back here, pull this seat down, and look at that, bunch of old stuff. Let's see what we got. 30 weight now. Throw in the trash. I don't even know what this is. Some kind of cover. Trash. What the fuck? See, as you can tell, there's still a lot of original pieces in here. These, which the clips don't really function anymore. All of this liner, the headliner is even still in here. This bug is pretty complete. Alright guys, so I turned off the camera for a bit and I continued cleaning in here. It's looking so much better. Just all around in here. The passenger seat, I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. The material that they use for the padding, it's just falling right out of that seat. I don't know if I want to put that back in and make another mess. But anyways, it's a lot cleaner in here. She runs. I'm going to go to the gas station right quick and put some fresh gas in it. And yeah, I'll get back to the camera when I get back. Well guys, she's topped off with fresh gas. She runs great. Detailing wise, I did what I could today, but it's gonna need some deep cleaning. But that's it for today. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.
Well, Black Widow's going for the first rip around the block. Oh, that thing sounds great. Nothing like the new carburetor. You gonna go get gas?
I need to drain that
tank. All right. I would say so. Well, it's been sitting 4 years, guys. But this is the first drive in 4 years. There it goes. I think he was in third gear there. Hey, the brake lights work. Awesome. Here he comes. I think I heard a chirp. Got a few bugs to work out of the bug, but I think it's all right. back to the pit.